this is Son from the Eternal Warriors and welcome back to another video. Now in this video I will show you guys how to use a video editor pre-installed on your Windows 10. Now it's a great video for a video editor for montages or short videos, or just it is highly recommended for beginners. If you don't know how to edit, it's great. I use it in most of my videos, so it's great. So what you have to do is you have to search in your Windows 10. You have to search video editor. Now this is already pre-installed in most laptops or desktops or PCs. If you have Windows 10, and you just have to start a blank project. Now I will name it for my video. I want to make a video that I just recorded. At the time I'm recording this video, it hasn't gone live, but I'm sure once this video is out, it's gone live. You guys know about it. Now I'll name it just maker 2020. Now I just made a best logo maker 2020 render first. Now basically your project library, your photos. Now I'm gonna add from this PC. Now you can add title cards for your montages. Now I'll just go to my Bandicam section. Now this one right here. Now it just adds files to the video editor, and while it's loading in, I would recommend you guys to scroll down and hit that subscribe button. It would be really appreciated for me. I hope we can get around 25 subscribers, maybe 30 subscribers at the end of this year, maybe even 50. I don't know, maybe even 50. Now now I'll add my now I'll actually add my I'll add my outro. If you guys don't know where I got this outro, I got this outro from another video. I don't know, just maybe I'll make a video about it. No, but there's already many videos, so I don't know if I'll do it or I'll not. Now you just have to go down to videos, and I want this one. Now this is my intro. Now yeah, there it is. Now I'll add my intro here, and I'll just add this here, and I'll add it there. That's it. In 3 steps I made a video. Now it's a 9 minute 30 seconds video. You can see this is my intro. What up, guys? My name is Hassan from the Eternal Warriors.
Yeah, we know.
You can
We know you're Hassan.
Play there with the water.
We know you're Hassan. I'm also Hassan. Do you know me?
I'm also Hassan. Now, yeah, I just want to show you guys the logo. This is it for this video, and I just want to say thank you for making this part of this video.
Oh wait, that's
if
not
you
right.
like the video, don't forget to like and share this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, there you go. Wait, now if you guys want to add, now there are many features. You can add background music. There's already like many different background music. There's like this one. Now these sync your video with the music beat. You can even do that, and you can also do custom audio. You can add text, you can trim, you can even add pictures or something else. You can add 2D effects. Now I just want to add text. I'll add text like yeah, here.
my new back. Forgotten. Cam, bandy cam. In the footage, and I'll do X. Now I'll do joy. This one. Sorry for my new mistake on forgetting. The Bandicam recorder will come in the footage, and it ends. Wait, no. I don't want it here. You can just change it to here. Here, I think. But when did it start? It started here. So here. Yeah, sorry for my new mistake on forgetting. Bandicamrecorder.com. There you go. I think that's it. Now you can just check it. You go back. Oh wait, I added the background music. No, I don't want none. And then done. Okay, take that one. Hundreds and hundreds and more of these logos. Like, yeah. And yeah, so there it is. And I just want to say thank you for making this part of this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share this video, and Yeah, there
I'll
you
see
go.
you guys next
Now,
time. Once you've done this, you can just do finish video. You can choose what video quality. I'll do high. It takes a bit of time, and then you can and then you can go here. You can do best logo maker, and and then it just exports. And while it is exporting, why don't you just go scroll down, hit that subscribe and like button if you like this video. Maybe you can just like this and subscribe, because it would really be appreciated. Now I'm gonna do the same mistake. I'm gonna do the same mistake again on this video. I know how to. So I'll see you guys when it is done exporting. Yeah, while this is exporting, I would like to remind you guys that basically it's not just this. One of my friends of mine also used this. Not just for adding tests, but for 3D effects and actually like bad video editing. Now there are many 3D effects, there are many motions, there are many different features which I would like you guys to experience on your own. So after watching this video, if you have Windows 10, why not just search, try making a montage, try making a video, explore if you have time. There are many different options, there are many different uh, uh, different ways of doing this. It's easy, it's fast, and in my opinion, it's one of the best. And you don't even have to download anything. It's for beginners. It is amazing. I'm a beginner. I don't know how to edit that good, because I don't have any video editing software. If you're just looking for a free video editing software without any watermark or without nothing, this is a good one. I make most of my videos in this video editor, not just most, but basically all mine except one, I think. And if you guys like this video, if you guys like what I did, if you guys like this video, also check out my other videos, my let's plays and my other tutorial videos where I cover how you can change your cursor. Like this one, I have this ninja kunai cursor, and you can also change, and my other tutorial video which I'm editing right now. This video is all about that how can you change, how can you a free logo maker render first. So check out my other videos, check out my Let's Play episode 1, and it would be really appreciated if you guys like all of those videos. And because in this channel, if you subscribe, you will be sure to see many other different tutorials coming up which can help you for new beginners like me. And you guys know it's genuine because I'm also a beginner, and everything that I learn, like different tips, different tricks that I'm not that good at any, like editing or any other things and tips I find, I'll be sure to make a video about it. So you guys, if you're a beginner or professional or advanced, you can see my videos, my tutorials, and you can also see gaming videos about Minecraft, Roblox, Among Us, and many other let's plays of many different games. And there you go, right there. And then this comes, you can see the video. I'm not gonna play it so you guys can see the video. And then you can just go back, loads in. And thank you guys for watching this video. Should, I've said it a million times before, but if you guys like this video and if you guys like my content, be sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And then, and I have nothing else to say. Don't forget to be awesome, and Eternal Warrior